Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to unbox something yellow. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from Marcus, one of the Heroclix players here in the country. And as you can see, it is inside the Kasi, how do we call it, bag. Okay, so this item, I got this for trade from him. Okay, in one of the DC Notorious Brick Breaks, I pulled the Black Lantern Hal Jordan, which I didn't need personally because I only collect mostly X-Men. And he, of course, has an X-Men figure that I don't have. So we traded. We did a partial trade, meaning I traded my Hal Jordan for this figure plus some cash. So a good day for both of us because we got what we want. So anyway, the figure is Venom Wolverine. Okay, so this is from the Empire's set, Avengers, Fantastic Four, X-Men set. Okay, so one of the last two pieces I'm missing from that set. So we have here, let me zoom in. Whoop, whoop, whoop. The stand is wobbly. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we go. So we have here Venom Wolverine from the Empire set. Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. There you go. Again, take two. Venom Wolverine from the Empire set. And you can see her glorious sculpt. Okay. Dashing, jumping, slicing through the enemies. Okay. Take a look at that sculpt. Okay, Venomized heroes. Laura Kinney, Venomized. Okay. So he is set number 68, a chase in the set. Codex, Weapon X, X-Men, Exports, Detective, and Monster keyword. Laura Kinney has the symbiotic fusion trait, which is plasticity and super senses. If Venom Wolverine is within 4 squares and line of fire of an opposing character, she can be targeted by range attacks. So, which is good because she is a close combat master herself. So she only needs to worry about close enemies. Second trait is merge with the symbiote. Giant Reach 2 and free if Venom Wolverine has 2 action tokens. Make a close attack. So effectively giving her flurry to some extent. Okay, and then a special attack power. The more things change. Blaze Claw's Fangs. When Venom Wolverine uses it, after resolutions heal her equal to half the D6 result. Okay, so especially useful towards the tail end of his dial. And special defense power, the more they stay the same. Stop toughness regeneration. Okay, so you can see the flavor text for the other powers here. I'm no monster for charge. Eternal struggle is sidestep. I know who I am, Blaze Claw's Fangs, more than just an experiment, combat reflexes, bonded, toughness, and let's do what we do, exploit weakness. Okay, so you can see here, she also has the team ability of X-Men and the team player ability, allowing her to copy other team abilities. Okay, so Wolverine is our favorite figure, and even if this is not Logan himself, she is the next best thing. And we're only missing Venom Magneto from the Empire set. I hope we get him one way or another. So she has 0 range, 12 attack with that charge, 12 blades claws, 18 combat reflexes. So she's really hard to hit, close range, and 3 exploit. So doesn't have a lot of damage output, but you can always use Blades Claws, and that special power comes in towards the tail end of the dial with a stop click at the end for all for 75 points. So Edge of Venomverse number 1 is the significant appearance, and yeah, you can see her in the cover, and just like that, in 3D printed form. So Venom Wolverine, the best at what she does also, which is just like Wolverine, not so very nice. So what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. What are your combos for Venom Wolverine? I think maggots. She can carry maggots using the underground team ability. That has been the combo, but perhaps Peeper can be included because of Empower of Peeper to give her that option not to roll for Blade's Claws, I guess. Okay, so anyway, so bye bye for now. I'm gonna put this on the shelf.